and benevolent, who is the master of the master, king of the king, and judgment of the judgment. Honorable Chief Guest, the worthy principal, High School Bunyan, respected teachers, beloved parents, and my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today on this auspicious occasion of 14th August, we gather here to celebrate the independence of Pakistan. This is a day filled with immense pride and joy as we remember the struggles and sacrifices of our forefathers who fought for the nation's freedom. Respected audience, on this day in 1947, Pakistan emerged as an independent nation, breaking free from the chains of colonial rule. Our founding father, led by Qaeda Jamhuri Jinnah, invented our country where people of diverse backgrounds could live together in harmony and prosperity. Dear audience, throughout the years, Pakistan has faced various challenges, but the spirit of resilience and unity has kept us strong. We have seen progress in many fields, including education, technology, and healthcare. Our nation unity lives in its rich culture, tradition, and warmth of its people. Respected audience, as we celebrate this day, let us remember the importance of unity and tolerance. Let us stand together as one, embracing our differences and working towards a brighter future for our beloved Pakistan. Respected Chief Guest, we must also acknowledge the efforts of our armed forces and all those who continue to safeguard our sovereignty. Their dedication and sacrifice ensure that we can live in peace and security. Respected audience, on this day, let us renew our commitment to our nation's progress. Each one of us has a role to play in building a prosperous Pakistan. Together we can overcome challenges and create a better tomorrow for our generation to come. Happy Independence Day! Long live our nation, Pakistan!
मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए GB True News HT यूट्यूब चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि हमारी सारी वीडियोस आप लोगों को बर वक्त मिल सके।